I'm going to show you what happened when I walked up to the Norma Exchange money changer. You're about to see everything for yourself. As I was walking past the Dumplings bar, a group of teenagers suddenly ran by me. It looked like they had stolen something from someone and were trying to escape. One of them ran right past me, and another passed near a local Barangay police officer who was sitting nearby. I've known that officer for a long time. He has worked in the barangay for years and also helps at the local hospital. He tried to catch one of the teenagers, but the kid sprinted right past him. The officer quickly started his motorbike and chased after them. I watched as the teenagers kept running farther away. But then, after a short while, I suddenly saw the exact same teenagers running back past me again, this time in the opposite direction. It actually looked kind of funny. The barangay officer had gone after them on the motorcycle, but they simply turned around and ran the other way. A few moments later, one police officer sped past me toward the direction where the kids supposedly ran. Then another police officer rushed by as well. Honestly, it felt almost impossible for them to catch those kids. They were running faster than the police could move through the traffic on motorcycles. It was one of those situations where the police seemed powerless because the teenagers were just too quick to catch. So be careful and stay alert.